Welcome to Novakid, kids. Today, we'll learn about natural disasters. Natural disasters are powerful and often unexpected events that happen in nature and cause a lot of damage to people and the environment. First, let's talk about tornadoes. A tornado is a strong swirling wind coming from the sky. A tornado can pick up things in their way, like trees, cars, and even houses. If you see a tornado, hide in a shelter. Next, let's learn about earthquakes. An earthquake happens when the ground shakes. An earthquake can make buildings shake and things fall down. Earthquakes are dangerous, but scientists are working to keep us safe. Now, let's explore volcanoes. A volcano is a mountain that can erupt. Inside the earth, there is hot liquid rock called magma. When magma comes out, we see a volcano. Volcanoes can shoot out hot ash and lava. But not all volcanoes are active. Moving on, let's talk about floods. A flood happens when there is too much water in the area. Floods can come from heavy rain. Remember to stay away from flooded areas. Lastly, let's learn about wildfires. A wildfire is a fast-spreading fire that happens in nature. It can start from lightning or human activities. Firefighters work hard to put out wildfires and keep us safe. That's it about natural disasters. Learn geography and English with Novakid. Follow our channel and see you next time.